What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Crypto Alt Elite, your #1 source for everything in the world of cryptocurrency news, meme coins, and altcoins, and other stuff like that. So we are on cryptonews.com here today. And before we get into the video, as always, I just want to say that I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Do your own due diligence and research before you invest. Remember, these videos are for educational purposes. Help us educate people in a positive fashion by educating them through the comment section. If there is more about a particular subject that you see on this channel than I know, then please educate people. If you're negative, you will be deleted and blocked. If you're new around here, hit that subscribe button down below and turn on the bell for all notifications, and let's keep growing this awesome channel. So investors are taking caution amid leverage purge and delayed spot Bitcoin ETF prospects. Now, I did do some videos about Bitcoin ETF and what that's going to mean for people investing in Bitcoin and other related cryptocurrencies that are behind Bitcoin. And this seems kind of a little bit weird to me. Now, there's been a purge, and of course, you know, with investors growing cautionary, it's going to stand to reason then that people are going to start to be like, hey man, what's going on with this coin? I thought Bitcoin was stable, and well, it is the most valuable coin in the crypto space. Investors are growing cautious because of the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission's upcoming decision on the approval of an exchange-traded fund ETF linked directly to Bitcoin. So these alphabet agencies are trying to get their paws on people's money. They're decentralized blockchains. They're trying to centralize coins, centralize blockchains. We need more decentralized autonomous organizations, or DAOs, to protect people's finances. And if you want my advice, store everything you have on a cold storage wallet, a cold hard drive that you do not connect to the internet except in extreme cases when you need to move money around or something like that. That is what I've been learning so far, and I'm getting the hang of this. But according to Jacob Joseph, a research analyst at CCD Data, he says the recent leverage purge and the increasing likelihood of a delayed approval have influenced the mindset of investors and traders, which is prompting a more cautious approach. And I agree with this because you have to be cautious. I've been telling people this since I started these channels. Do not invest in anything you don't know anything about. If you're not sure about something, don't put any fucking money into it, because who knows what's going to happen. You want to protect your finances, okay? The purge of leverage and the growing possibility of a delayed approval, which has now influenced the mindset of some investors and traders, have led to a more cautious approach. And I agree with that, like I said. Now, Joseph also added that the cautious sentiment has contributed to the subdued price action that has been witnessed in the last 24 hours. And he also notes that while it still appears probable that a spot Bitcoin ETF will receive approval in the coming days, any unexpected delay, contrary to market expectations, could lead to a more significant downturn for digital assets. Now, major asset managers, including BlackRock Inc., you don't want to get me started on BlackRock, and Fidelity, have filed applications for ETFs tied to the digital asset, and the SEC has until January the 10th, which was 3 weeks ago now, to approve or reject these applications. Now, Bloomberg intelligence analysts predict that a decision could be around as early as January the 8th, with a 90% chance of approval for all applications. Bitcoin has dropped 8% after the ETF delayed rumors. Now, on Wednesday, Bitcoin, it crashed to a low of $40,000, which is pretty low for Bitcoin, after a report from Matrix Report claimed that the SEC is poised to reject spot Bitcoin ETF applications this month. Matrix on Target projects a January rejection for Bitcoin spot ETFs by the SEC, cautioning traders to hedge long exposure. The company wrote in a recent post on X, formerly Twitter. They said this. If you want to check that out, you can. However, there have recently been some rumors that approval can come in the near future. Thursday afternoon, senior TechCrunch crypto reporter Jacqueline Melanik said that an approval could occur within 24 hours. With the SEC nearing the potential approval for the first Bitcoin ETF, issuers are vying for an early advantage to capture investors' interests. Specifically, Fidelity has set a highly competitive fee of 0.39%, while investor Galaxy announced a fee waive for the first 6 months, a fee waiver basically saying you don't have to pay fees of operation, and for the first $5 million in assets held, followed by a 0.59% fee. Analyst Eric Balchurns of Bloomberg has also predicted that BlackRock will likely settle for a fee at 0.47%. So interesting stuff here, but again, be cautious, know what you're getting into. Only throw a few bucks at something if you're not sure of it, you know, and in some cases, not at all. Anyway, that's going to do it for this video here today. Like, comment, subscribe, share. We'll see you in the next video. Take care.